Actually, something happened in my life last year. So because of that, I came under depression. What I have decided that when I will go back to the institute, I will commit suicide. I will commit suicide because I cannot commit at my home. So from that, for that purpose, I came back to the institute, and nothing is going to happen in my life. Everything I have lost, my life is gone. So I finally decided to commit suicide, and it is true that I went to the faculty building also, and the 6th floor to commit suicide.
पहले बहुत टेंशन हो रही थी, मेरी सीपीआई बहुत खराब थी तो मुझे बहुत टेंशन हो रही थी।
फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, फर्स्ट मिड सेम भी फिर भी यही था कि पढ़ना है, पढ़ना में विंग में सबसे ज़्यादा पढ़ता था और बस एक कुछ आगे पीछे नहीं कि व्हाट माय एफिशिएंसी इज।
एंड I was in a pretty bad situation in my semester. During the semester and my boss wasn't very happy with my work and
कि पहले मुझे कोई लेक्चर समझ में नहीं आते थे, प्रॉफ पता नहीं क्या क्या पढ़ा रहे थे, मेरे सर के ऊपर से बाउंस जा रहे थे।
But I never got that output which I thought I deserved.
I had been suffering from bronchitis since last 3 years.
I was suffering from epilepsy.
Means पिछले 5 साल से मुझे मेरा लगातार पेट खराब चल रहा था, लगातार हमेशा जेब में 2 डिब्बियाँ रहती थी।
I used to smoke very heavily and I used to drink quite a lot and I used to live in a pretty bad way.
Earlier I used to drink, smoke, use foul language.
I used to take ganja, marijuana.
I was taking some sleeping pills or something like that recommended by a psychiatrist.
I have been an introvert.
There's a point in my life when I almost lost my spine, I should say that.
I used to shout at my mom, at my parents more often with my friends.
So it was like that. My whole body is like dead body. Nothing was inside me, and it is absolutely empty. I just could not bear that pain. So most of my friends and my parents was thinking that I will never come back from that situation. My life is totally gone.
Daily life was like it was like an effort to carry on.
जब मैं आईआईटी में आया था, मैंने केम टू आईआईटी, एक टाइप से लोनलीनेस लगती थी, ऐसे दिखाता नहीं था मैं, लेकिन फिर भी होम सिकनेस टाइप मुझे लगता था यहाँ।
It just took 7 days, only 7 days, and it is completely changed my life.
It was fun actually. 7 days.
So I took this course in March 2007 when it was held here.
10 दिन पहले मैंने कोर्स किया है, 10 दिन पहले कोर्स खत्म हुआ था। those 10 days जो पढ़ाई हुई थी, जो फोकस बना था, वो उससे पहले तो कभी नहीं था, कभी नहीं। उन 10 दिनों में मैंने जो भी तैयारी की, एंडसेम में एक सब्जेक्ट में मेरा बेस्ट मैथ्स था। ओवरऑल माय रिजल्ट वाज 8.9 व्हिच वाज गोइंग टू बी अराउंड 6 or 7।
My SPI increased by 1 point.
देन तब से मेरा ग्राफ मोनोटोनस गया है, ऊपर ही ऊपर गया है। इन सेकंड सेम आई गॉट 9.5 SPI, डिपार्टमेंट रैंक 2।
और अब मुझे सब कुछ सुनाई देता है, समझ में आता है।
And the course has changed my life.
I did the course in November. After that मतलब ब्रोंकाइटिस सही हो गया मेरा।
Now this course taught me to dare stand alone, and
I was just spending some time in my room. I was smoking once again, and that's when suddenly I felt that after those 2 days of the course, and this again my old lifestyle of smoking, I could see the contrast. I mean, I could not appreciate it until I took the cigarette in my hands and took a few puffs, and then I saw that what those 2 days had done to me. And that's when I realized that I had two choices now, either to stick with my old life or to carry on with this new life.
I have like 1,000 friends. I'm never alone.
My commitment level has gone to the next stage.
बीमार नहीं पड़ता हूँ.
I got lots of friends from the after doing this course, and
This course really brought me a smile back on my face, and a smile that's not just from the lips. I learned to smile from the bottom of my heart.
And also, I lost 14 kgs after doing the course in 1 month.
My awareness has gone up.
लेकिन इस सेमेस्टर में वापस अच्छी तरह फोकस कर पा रहा हूँ अपनी स्टडीज पे.
Basically, I was a happy person before doing the course. The difference that the course has brought in my life is now I go around spreading happiness.
I am inspiring people.
I'm more into extracurricular activities also. Like I handle many various posts right now also. I'm a department representative, so it helps me in my decision making. Like in any situations I deal with many sorts of people. It helps me to stay relaxed. It helps me to stay calm. My decisions are more firmer. They are more sharp and more focused.
Concentration level काफी अच्छा हो गया मेरा.
But after the S+ course, I just got the family out of my family. मुझे अपने घर के बाद बाहर एक ऐसी फैमिली मिली जहाँ इतने सारे फ्रेंड्स मिले, ऐसे फ्रेंड्स जिसको मैं सही में कह सकता हूँ कि the friends in need are the friends indeed. Basically, each and every cell of my body smiles.
मेरी वर्क एफिशिएंसी बहुत बढ़ चुकी है.
I would really thank from my personal level and also as the president of this S+ club for the institute for providing us with this wonderful opportunity to take this, to have this knowledge, to experience this knowledge and to share this knowledge with as many people as we can.
I can change.